students, including NUP's flag bearer for the 89th Guild presidency, Margaret Natabi, organized a press briefing at the Guild canteen, which was blocked by the university administration. They were forced to carry it outside the university, shifting to Emerald Hotel. During the press statement, the students were demanding for a lift of suspension of two candidates, Isaac Byaruhanga and Arnold Muganga, and reconsideration of the disqualification of two from the Friday elections by close of business tomorrow.
Reinstatement. Students.
Margaret Natabi and Sulaiman Namoza are the Guild aspirants who were kicked out of the Guild race last week by the chairperson Electoral Commission over staging a presidential debate at Michelle Hall, known as Chimeza. The Chimeza resulted into a scuffle which left one Robert Serunjoji, a student from the College of Natural Science, hospitalized at the University Hospital. Natabi requested that the institution management come out and explain their disqualification, saying they followed all the guidelines before holding the debate.
Because when you look into their letter, it carries no water at all. They should just get a genuine reason as to why we were disqualified. We followed everything to the dot, and the only thing they did was to suspend the custodian and suspend students.
In addition, the students condemned the university's decision to conduct online elections.
You don't have control over them. You people go there, you vote your things. You know what takes place, but you cannot really control what is going on. We need a system that we are going to control.
The press conference, however, turned chaotic after Wandegeya police ambushed the congregation and arrested the students. They were taken to Wandegeya police station on accusations of organizing an unlawful assembly. Kampala Metropolitan Police spokesperson Patrick Onyango said that the students were threatening to demonstrate. He went on to assure the public that the police are against hooliganism.
We as security, we shall not allow anybody who will attempt to disrupt the business flow of the university. People who are going to work, students who are going for lectures, students who are going to do discussions. We shall not allow anybody who will attempt disrupting those activities.
Makerere University is set to hold their 89th Guild elections this Friday, 14th April 2023. Mary Prima Awar, Church of Uganda.